Hey guys, John here with Vapor Honing Technologies today. We wanted to show you an application where we were again removing a coating from a particular piece, and we were wanting to check this part for any damage that may need to be repaired, and also we wanted to get the part ready for a new coating. So you can see in the video, the coating was coming off fairly well. That was an OEM coating from the manufacturer, and it was coming off fairly well. We were using a very aggressive media at a higher pressure, and now we have the surface prepped for inspection, and then we could recoat the part. A couple things I wanted to point out that we could not see in the beginning was we have some very, very aggressive corrosion that was actually happening on the part. And so that's one thing that these coatings do kind of overlay sometimes, and you need to inspect and make sure that everything is okay with the part. But when we exposed the coating, we were able to see this aggressive corrosion that was actually taking place on the part. But again, this is a quick operation, maybe 10 minutes tops on something like this. So you can imagine how much money you're going to be able to make with this product if you're doing parts for customers, or if you want to save time, if you're doing this as a hobby. This just makes your life so much easier. And believe me, it's a tremendous asset to have. It takes all the stress out of this particular process. If you guys have questions on applications that you may have, give the sales team a call. They're here and happy to help you no matter what that application is. So give us a call. And if you like what you saw today, subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the Facebook page, and follow us on Instagram for daily and weekly updates. And again, thanks for watching.